Spondylosis is also known as spinal osteoarthritis or degenerative disc disease. It is a medical condition that primarily affects the spine. It is characterized by degeneration of vertebral disc and facet joint in the spine. It is mainly affected the cervical and lumbar region in the spine, that is cervical spondylosis and lumbar spondylosis respectively. In Ayurveda, spondylosis is a Vata disease related to spine and is often associated with the imbalance in Vata dosha. The primary cause of spondylosis is a natural aging process. It can be worsened by genetics, injuries, poor postures, obesity and repetitive motion. Smoking and other unhealthy lifestyle can also contribute to the development of spondylosis. Spondylosis may or may not be appear with symptoms in all. Common symptoms include back pain, neck pain and stiffness in the affected area. In some cases, it can lead to nerve compression resulting in pain, numbness or weakness in the arms or leg. These symptoms can vary in intensity. According to Ayurveda, the spondylosis is a Vata disorder with the symptom of degenerative changes. So that the treatment should be planned in such a way that to pacify Vata dosha and prevent degenerative changes up to an extent, which include intaking of internal medication like Kashaya, Kudika, Lehya as a part of Shamana Chikitsa, and some external treatment like Dhanyamradhara, Lebanam, Abhyangam, Patrapinda Swedam, Churnapinda Swedam, Navarakiri, Kadivasti, Grivavasti according to the condition. Along with that, Panchakarma treatment like Vamana, Virejana and most importantly Vasti, enema with a decoction and oil, which is the Agraushadha of Vata, and Nasya, nasal instillation therapy is also prescribed especially in the cervical spondylosis. Lifestyle changes can be beneficial for managing spondylosis condition like maintaining good posture, regular exercise, weight management, avoid excessive strain, taking regular break in between work and quit smoking. Along with this, practicing yogasana also beneficial for managing of spondylosis condition. It can help improve flexibility, strengthen the neck and back muscle, reduce the pain and stiffness, and thus you can practice yogasana like Sedubandhasana, Bhujangasana, Balasana, Ardhamasyasana, Paschimottanasana, and it should be practiced under the guidance of certified yoga practitioner. For further information about spondylosis, you can speak with your doctor on number shown below.